like a lifeboat when you're lost at sea. I will carry you when it's hard to breathe.
Be, marrying you 10 years ago is still the best decision I've ever made. I promise to never take you for granted. I promise when you need a friend, I will be your best friend. When you need a help, I will be there for you. When you need care, I will support you. When you want to try something new, I will encourage you.
Ang sakramento po ay daluyan. Ang sakramento po ay alulod ng biyaya ng Diyos. Kasi ang nagtatag ng sakramento ng kasal ay walang iba kundi si Jesus, si Kristo. Yung ginagawa nating kasalang ito, sagrado sapagkat mismong ang Panginoon ang nagtatag.
Over the past decade, we've been grown together in love and understanding. I am grateful for every moment we share. I vow to continue cherishing our journey and nurturing our bond with each passing year. You are my everything. With this ring, I pledge my eternal love and devotion to you. I love you.
Ito talaga yung anniversary namin. Ito talaga 10th year. Kinasal kami doon. Pumunta kami sa US. Kinasal kami. 4 lang kami. Yung best man niya ngayon, tsaka yung best friend niya nandito. Present pa din sila. From day one sila. Maalaga. Lagi siya nagluluto. Yun ang ano niya, love language niya. Pagluluto ka niya, kahit mafe-feel niya pag masama pakiramdam mo, pagluluto ka kanya agad. Kahit hindi ko sabihin na feel niya if there's something wrong.
I think about that summer day when I went on my first date. We danced in an empty parking lot to a song I since forgot. And the first time I held his hand, I thought this boy could be a man. We must have been watching a movie. I think it was Toy Story 3. As long as I remember you and all the things you used to do, a part of you will always be 22. And time keeps ticking on, it's true.
We had to be married, and I promise you that we'll have the proper ceremony and bigger ceremony. And here we are, fulfilling our dreams and the happiest moment of my life.
Group hug! Walking! Smiling like this!
As long as you and I remember all the times we shared together, a part of us will never get older. And time keeps ticking on, it's true. She'll steal away our youth, but that's how I'll remember me and you. That's how I'll remember me and you.
Hindi ko abot.
Thank you for everything, being a good son. I love you.
Love is lost, love is found.
Hindi pa nga nag-umpisa.
Kahit nasa ibang bansa ako, lagi niya akong tinutulungan. Siya lagi ang parang super girl ng family. So, maraming salamat. I love you.
Siyempre naman.
Love is wrong and love is right. It's a patient heart with a tired eye.
Kat, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito o babakay sa titip mo si Joel na iyong pakamamahalin paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
But I would do it all. Would do it all.
So Joel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito o pamakay sa dibdib mo si Kat na iyong pakamamahalin paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Time and circumstance will change who we are. But our love will grow as we change. And change as we grow.
I love you. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Joel, for the second time around, you make this one. Mabuhay ang mga bagong kasal!
I choose you now and I'll choose you tomorrow. I promise every chance I get, I'll always choose you.